We have met the lovely ladies from Czech Republic. Good morning from Puerto La Cruz, from Tenerife, from Paradise. We have beautiful Sunday morning here. Mluvíte česky?
Ano.
Ahoj, dobré ránko, vítejte v Puerto. To je hezké. Odkud jste, holky?
Prahy.
Tož vítejte. So, we have met the lovely ladies from Czech Republic, from Prague. Praho. Ahoj, užívejte. Beautiful. So beautiful Sunday morning, and let's go to see a Latino art market. So let's go to Mercado Municipal, the public market, to see some show about art. Thank you for watching to the end. We are spreading the beauty and positive vibes from Puerto La Cruz, Tenerife. You hopefully feel I love this place. If you want to support us, it's easy. Please join the club. You can see much more from my videos. Or there's PayPal for donations. So all the best. Best greetings from Puerto and viva la música.